folks. Driving through a crazy ass hailstorm right now. Sure you can hear it and see it. If I get any worse, I'm about to pull over.
You won't be around this around here in a little bit, buddy.
Well, the driver's talking about slowing down. Yeah, it's starting to get pretty bad. Ice for this damn ice and snowstorm coming to supposedly hitting Dallas tonight or tomorrow. Damn, it's already starting to cover the road. Shit, y'all can't see it, I guess, probably through the camera. Just about to slow my ass down. I'm doing 65. Not how I went in my night. Sound bitch. Now it's kind of going from hell to snow, look feeling. Damn it. Yep, Dallas, it's coming. I ain't gonna stay but for a day. Hell, it's supposed to be 32 and snowing tomorrow. And then 65 by Friday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Damn it. Yep. Time to slow down. So now this morning, I got everything closed. These are all trucks stuck on the road. Everybody stuck in the truck stop. And I-20 westbound is closed down. That is I-20 westbound. You can see the cars and trucks sitting on the highway. It's actually closed for about the next 50 miles. I'm out here in Sweetwater, Texas, and it's closed all the way to, I think they said Odessa, so actually it's probably a little more than 50 miles. Oh, shit. Damn the luck. And out here, out here in West Texas, they don't ever see this snow and ice and this bullshit. It's usually hot and dry out here, but guess I'm stuck for a little bit, guys. A little bit. I can't even get fuel. The damn card reader systems were down, and now that I can get fuel, I can't move because the parking lot's jammed because everybody's stuck in the parking lot. And two, if I move, I'm gonna lose my parking spot until the damn highway opens up there. I just can't believe they actually had to shut the highway completely down. God damn it. And this guy's stuck right here trying to get out of the damn parking lot. I don't even know where he thinks he's going because everything's closed. Well, everything's closed going westbound anyway. I guess he can go eastbound. Damn it. Fucking crazy. Never get it out here, so I guess I don't know how to handle it. It's not the snow. It's only about 2 inches of snow. It's the damn ice. It rained and sleeted for a good 2 hours before the snow hit. So as you can see, that's just all the sheet ice out there. See, this old boy gets going. He's been trying for about 30 minutes to get this truck out of the middle of the road. See what he does. May not have the axle lock. I have an inner axle lock here, which I have on. I haven't even moved yet, but when I do move, I want to make sure I got all my wheels locked in. Kind of like four-wheel drive in a sense. Not really, but kind of. Oh man, I want to see if you can get that bitch going. Uh-oh. There you go, we got it. There you go. Finally. Now the cop didn't even stop to help him. Cop just said fuck it, went on around him and kept going. Now there's another cop sitting right there. I just seen him pull up. Guess if there's nothing they can do, I mean, everything's shut down and stuck. Damn. Guess I can go in here and give me some breakfast and kill some time. I've already took a shower thinking everything would be cleared up by then. Nope. Everything's still fucked up. Breakfast time. Wish I was at a better truck stop for breakfast though. Something that had a country kitchen or an Arby's, a Denny's or something. Now this guy's been stuck down here in front of me about 30 minutes. I've been out here trying to help him. You see he's spinning, but his back. What the problem is his trailer is locked up. His air brakes won't release. So he drug it down the hill to here, and then tried to climb this hill to get out. You see, it's still locked up. Look. Shit's he's moving the truck, but watch that bitch won't move. And I stopped again. So now I'm stuck right here in this spot. Can't move. He's gonna spin it again. Here he's spinning. Now look, he's dragging.
Got a message. Train's all fucked up too.
Oh man, this is gonna be a hell of a day. Hell of a day.
So he's got a message from the company that I-10's all fucked up too.
He came over, borrowed a hammer from me, and I tried to help him beat on his air brakes, but them bitches are not releasing at all. I don't know what he's gonna do. He's stuck. He started sliding sideways. Actually, you see how he's cockeyed? Started sliding sideways towards me. I was like, oh shit. It's not much of a hill there, but it's enough that he would have slid into me. That's what I needed. Fucking have my front end ripped off this morning. I don't know what he's gonna do. But I can't go nowhere till he's. I mean, I'm not leaving yet anyway, but I can't go nowhere until he gets his ass out of the way. Fucking gas pumps are still full. Nobody's moving. They're just not. They're not getting fuel. They're fucking sitting there because there's nowhere to go. I-20 shut down, like I said, and nobody can go anywhere. So I am driving through the winter wonderland at 25 miles an hour. Ain't nobody on the road, dude. As you can see, everything's iced up, snowing. It's still snowing. See everything out there is just white. Oh, you really can't see that far. My damn windshield keeps icing up. And there's a truck. But my damn windshield, half of it's iced up. I keep having to pull over and beat the hell out of my windshield wiper blades. But gotta get delivered. Gotta get out of this mess. Been sitting here almost 24 hours already. Well, not quite, but close enough. So we're gonna move down this highway and slow pace, and even though at 25 miles an hour it takes me forever to get there, I'm still about 500 miles from my destination. Can't get nowhere sitting, so we're gonna take it easy and get down this damn road. This damn winter storm that hit over here in West Texas that never snows or ices over here, but oh well, shit happens. Keep finding trucks and cars and shit in the ditch. I ain't seen a single snowplow, and I was talking to one of the guys up on the CB, and they were saying they don't even have them over here because they literally never get this. So they don't have salt trucks and snowplows, I guess, out this way. So you just deal with how the roads are. Take your time. Hopefully everything goes well for us and we get to our destination. So we will see if I have any problems or I find anything fun on the side of the road. I'll turn this camera on for y'all. It says right there, y'all can read it. Travel not advised. Oh shit. Hold on. Man, I don't think it's worth it, man. I think I'm gonna have to pull over here up here when I get to this next truck stop, because I've been driving about an hour and a half and I've made it 35 miles. And this shit is just continually getting worse. It's snowing harder and harder. The roads, I mean, you can't see but about a quarter mile ahead of you. You know, I'm doing about 35 miles an hour. A minute ago, I tried to record the sign that said travel not advised, and all of a sudden this fucking car and shit went off the road and people started locking up the brakes. I had to get on mine, and even at 35 miles an hour, I looked in my mirror, my trailer was coming around the side of me. Man, let me tell you, this shit ain't worth it, man. I am not a fucking ice road trucker by any means. I mean, I can get the job done. This shit sucks. And then I'm fucking blind. I'm over here squinting because it's so damn bright out here because everything's fucking white. It's so bright. I can't see a damn thing. Nothing but white. Another camera ain't picking up everything, but damn. Everything's just white. White ground, white everything. White trees, white, white, white. This is shit. See the cars coming at me. I think about within about a quarter mile. It's about the most visibility I got. Shit. Keep watching cars run off the road in front of me and shit. So I about lost them once already. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a winter wonderland and a ghost town out here. West Texas and then into New Mexico. Shitloads of snow, and all you can barely see is a little bit of the road. They don't even have plows out here. Alright guys, so a few hours later, I am up in the middle of New Mexico, and as you can tell from the background here, it is sunny and beautiful now. Beautiful blue skies, sunny, and much warmer too. Way station ahead. Alright, so anyway, just want to give you some footage of the shitty road that I deal with on a daily basis. Drove through that damn winter storm last night and then most of today. But thank goodness I'm out of it. It's beautiful weather again. Everybody's safe. Well, at least I'm fucking safe. And keep this shit moving, make some dollars. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe.